Look, Lake Ohrid has polluted again.
What shall we do?
How can we protect the lake?
I have an idea. Have you heard of ProBleu?
No.
It's a project that focuses on protection of aquatic ecosystems through research, innovation, and active involvement of schools.
Let's go and make a plan.
We're happy to be part of the ProBleu family.